Hello, everyone. Welcome to Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. I'm Eric, and today we're going through the third lecture of our preliminary French lessons. Our topic for today is irregular verbs, present tense, part 1. Here are the topics we're going to cover for this lecture. First, we'll cover subject pronouns. Second, we'll cover two verbs which are irregular in the French language, être and avoir. To be and to have, respectively. At the end, we'll do a conversation practice to review what we have covered in the previous lessons. Before we jump into the verb conjugation of the French language, let's have a look at the subject pronouns. Please repeat after me. Je, I. Tu, you. Informal. Il, he. Elle, she. On, we. Informal. Nous, we. Vous, you guys, you all, or you. Formal. Il, they. All males, males and females. Elle, they. All females. Note: the subject pronoun vous can be used in singular or plural forms depending on the context. Let's have a look at the following examples. Jean, vous êtes encore en retard. Jean, you're late again. Quel âge avez-vous? How old are you? Êtes-vous sûr? Are you sure? Let's move on to section 3.2, the verbe être. The present tense conjugation of the verb être, to be, is as follows. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Let's look at the following examples. Nous sommes perdus. We're lost. Je suis étudiant. I'm a student. Il est médecin. He is a doctor. Extension. Vocabularies about professions or occupations. Please repeat after me. Un étudiant, une étudiante. Un journaliste, une journaliste. Un informaticien, une informaticienne. Un professeur, une professeure. Un chanteur, une chanteuse. Un touriste, une touriste. Un photographe, une photographe. Un ami, une amie. Exercise 3-1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the verb être in the present tense. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's do this exercise together. Number 1. Nous sommes étudiants de l'école. We are students from the school. Number 2. Tu es très belle et mignonne. You are very beautiful and cute. Number 3. Il est photographe. He is a photographer. Number 4. Vous êtes française? Are you French? Number 5. Elles sont chanteuses. They are singers. Number 6. Je suis italienne. I'm Italian. In this kind of exercise, the key point is that you find the subject first and then you match the verb conjugation according to the subject. For the verb être, or to be, the conjugation is irregular, so you have to memorize the whole conjugation chart in your mind. In the next video, we'll talk about another irregular verb, avoir, which means to have. See you in the next video.